Hello friends, this is my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.
This is the Accusharp Pro knife and tool sharpener, the sharpener of choice for professional chefs. The award-winning Accusharp Pro knife and tool sharpener now features an eye-appealing exterior with brushed aluminum and a matte finish frame. The diamond-honed tungsten carbide sharpening blades in the Accusharp Pro are high-grade industrial quality and one of the hardest materials known, designed to sharpen all your double-beveled blades. These sharpening blades are reversible, doubling the life of your sharpener. Simply place your knife on a stable surface with the cutting edge up and the tip extending just past the edge of the table. Place your sharpener at a 90-degree angle and draw it along the edge past the point of the blade. You'll feel that tungsten carbide shaping your new edge with each pull. Whether you're sharpening chef's knives, serrated blades, paring knives, or fillet knives, you'll have a like-new cutting surface in seconds. The Accusharp Pro knife and tool sharpener. Keep your edge.
Chef's Choice Model 4643 Angle Select Professional Manual Knife Sharpener. This versatile sharpener uses proprietary diamond abrasives to sharpen and polish 15-degree fine edge knives as well as 20-degree traditional knives. We will demonstrate how to sharpen a 20-degree knife. Pull the blade through each side of the guide slowly and smoothly, alternating each side about 3 to 4 times. Let the diamond abrasives sharpen the blade back to the appropriate angle. Carefully feel for a burr. If a burr is detected, draw the knife through step 3, which will polish and finish the edge. This stage can also be used for serrated knives. Model 4643, professional sharpness and effortless cutting.
SHARPAL 191H Pocket Kitchen Chef Knife Scissors Sharpener for straight and serrated knives, 3-stage knife sharpening, tool helps repair and restore blades. Material ceramic, tungsten carbide. Brand SHARPAL. Color silver. Item dimensions LXWXH 2.76 by 2.36 by 2.76 inches. Item weight 100 grams. Grit type, fine 3-stage sharpening, tool, tungsten carbide blades, for quick edge setting, ceramic blades for fine, honing, special tungsten, carbide blade for scissors, grinding. 3 parts to meet.
Keep your kitchen and sport knives razor sharp with the Presto Professional EverSharp 3-stage electric knife sharpener. The 3-stage sharpening system easily provides professional results at home. Adjustable blade guides provide the optimum sharpening angle for the width of the knife you're sharpening. The thin setting is ideal for lightweight blades, such as fillet and paring knives. Medium is perfect for chef's knives, sentoku knives, and other slicing and utility knives. And the thick position is suitable for cleavers and many larger sports knives. The blade guides accurately position the knife at the precise angle for no-guess sharpening. Start with Stage 1, the Sapphirite coarse grinding wheel. It places an initial angle on the blade. Just draw the knife through each slot a few times. In Stage 2, the medium grinding wheel continues the sharpening process by giving the blade a precision edge. Finally, Stage 3 completes the process, using an extra fine grit ceramic wheel to polish and hone the blade to a precise razor-sharp edge. It's the easy way to get professional knife sharpening results at home. The Presto Professional EverSharp 3-stage electric knife sharpener. 2-stage model also available.
Whatever you want to create in the kitchen, the KitchenAid Smart Oven Plus puts the power in your hands. Its intuitive controls make it easy to choose among this oven's many cooking modes. Its video demonstrations help you get cooking with any attachment you choose. The Recipe Guide mode gives you step-by-step tutorials for each attachment. from ingredient lists to cook times. It's so smart, it can even suggest when to tend or take out the food. When you download the KitchenAid mobile app to your tablet or smartphone, you can control the oven remotely through your home Wi-Fi. A Scan to Connect feature simplifies setup of the oven with the app and your home network. The app makes registration of your new oven fast and easy to help ensure prompt delivery of your baking stone and steamer attachment. The oven can even update its own capabilities via Wi-Fi at a time of your choosing. And it can send you notifications and alerts, like telling you from the next room when your grill is preheated and ready to go. Control your oven with simple voice commands using a Google Assistant or Alexa-enabled device, leaving your hands free to create. For cooks who dare to do more, there's no smarter place to begin. The remarkable Smart Oven Plus with powered attachments from KitchenAid.
Hello friends, this is my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.